These three altcoins are about to explode. Michael Saylor gives his new price prediction for Bitcoin, and the US SEC has just had its power limited against crypto. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Did you guys get the Scroll Quintic NFT as the first part of the Scroll airdrop? We informed our Altcoin Buzz Alpha members about it back in the beginning of November. So far, we've made our members over $1,500 in profits from airdrops, 140% in profits on launchpads with 7 live airdrops, 150% profits on altcoin gems with 2 upcoming IDOs, and over $150 a month passive income. We can proudly say that we are one of the best crypto membership programs out there, and to find out more, check out the link in the description below. Bitcoin starts a new week still riding high near $37,000 as the largest cryptocurrency continues to circle its highest levels in 18 months, with excitement over a possible ETF approval in the United States driving sentiment. However, during the Asia trading session, Bitcoin fell below $37,000, sticking firmly to the trading range in place throughout the weekend. Monitoring the situation, trader and analyst Credible Crypto suggested that this would soon change. The reason he said was open interest, now at multi-day highs and apt to spark volatility, saying open interest has ramped up right off the back of lows, which means more positions to squeeze out. Credible Crypto gave a target of 36,600 for potential local low, with another post adding that Bitcoin was very close to further upside. Meanwhile, last week, the U.S. House of Representatives approved an amendment by Congressman Tom Emmer to limit the authority of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission on Wednesday. Emmer's amendment to H.R. 4664, the Financial Services and General Government Appropriations Act of 2024, ensures that none of the funds made available by this act may be used by the Securities and Exchange Commission to carry out an enforcement action related to a crypto asset transaction. The congressman explained on social media saying, "My amendment prohibits the SEC from using taxpayer-funded resources to pursue enforcement actions against the digital asset industry until Congress passes legislation that authorizes regulatory enforcement jurisdiction." Criticizing SEC Chair Gary Gensler, the lawmaker wrote, "Gary Gensler is as ineffective as he is incompetent. Fortunately, my nonpartisan appropriations amendment to rein in the SEC enforcement abuse against the digital asset industry passed the House today with no opposition. Congress will hold unelected bureaucrats accountable." Michael Saylor was also recently interviewed about the future of Bitcoin, saying this:
"Long term, the money supply will expand at 7%. The stock market, a portfolio of scarce desirable stocks like the SP index will probably track the money supply. Long term, over 100 years, Bitcoin should be plus 7% more because you get rid of the risk premium, the risk and the liabilities of the companies. But in the near term, we're in high growth Bitcoin right now, and we're growing, 20 to 40% with volatility on an annualized basis until we move from high growth state to more mature, virtuous state. And then you got to just look at the total world wealth. And if the total world's wealth is 900 trillion, $1,000 trillion, then there's just no reason why Bitcoin should become 10 to 20% of that. And that gets you to a number, $10 million of Bitcoin when we're 20% of the world's wealth in today's dollars.
Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see his thoughts on where Bitcoin will go in the short term. Our partners at Tectum have had a busy week with all their latest updates. Tectum Softnotes are Bitcoin's new digital cash. Imagine using Bitcoin to send money to your friends or to pay for coffee, with your transaction done instantly and with 100% anonymity. Tectum has just announced a huge farming opportunity of their TET token on SmartX, saying, "We've decided to double our liquidity and triple the rewards to 40% APY on our SmartX farming pool from tomorrow." They've also just had their TET token listed on the LDX exchange, and they're bringing Softnotes to Bitcoin Ordinals to make transactions much cheaper and quicker. They wrote, "Here's a sneak peek into Tectum's upcoming Ordinal smart contracts. Transaction speed and cost on the regular Bitcoin network is 2 hours and $11. On the Bitcoin Softnote network, it's instant and 2 cents. A 1 megabyte inscription fee on Bitcoin is $8,000, and on Bitcoin Softnotes, it's $1.96. These are real ordinals placed within Softnotes and transacting on the Tectum blockchain, thus not clogging up the Bitcoin mempool. Softnote ordinals remain trustless, decentralized, and anonymous. Don't miss the first ever mint." And finally, with the SEC currently evaluating 12 Bitcoin ETF applications, if even one gets approved, the Bitcoin mempool will be overloaded and a scaling solution will be essential. This is where Tectum shines and helps bring scaling to the largest cryptocurrency. For more information on Tectum and these opportunities, check out the link in the description below. The total altcoin market cap is in consolidation that dates back to mid-2022. Technical indicators currently suggest the possibility of a breakout, which may ignite a new altcoin season. Still, this will require new capital inflows, increased altcoin trading volume, and a sustained close above a critical resistance area. The altcoin market cap is in the process of forming the fourth consecutive weekly green candle, and each candle had a body size of about 6%. But together with the wicks, these represent a 35% price increase over the past month. This upward move is significant, pushing the altcoin market cap to the long-term resistance area of $657 billion. This crucial resistance barrier has existed since mid-2022, even acting as support several times during the 2021 bull market. It's worth noting the declining trading volume, which has been dropping since mid-2021. The compression pattern seems very mature, so a breakout can be expected in the coming weeks or months. A breakout above resistance and the generation of a higher high with rising volume will be an additional confirmation of the start of a new altcoin season. Crypto analyst Stock Money Lizard said altcoin season is around the corner. His analysis considers how the altcoin market cap increased after Bitcoin's previous halving. In his view, the altcoin market cap reached a peak of the cycle 505 days after the Bitcoin halving. If this situation were to repeat itself, the current price action could just be a prelude to a 4 to 8x altcoin season, which the market may not experience until 2024 or 2025. During the highly anticipated altcoin season, another analyst, Crypto Clearly, highlights the standard money flow during a crypto bull market. The standard pattern begins with the surge of Bitcoin, then the main beneficiary becomes Ethereum. Later, capital flows to more altcoins, from those with larger market caps to medium to small caps. When the last and smallest altcoins increase exponentially, it signals the end of the altcoin season. The first altcoin that whales have been heavily accumulating is Polygon's native cryptocurrency Matic, as it continues on its unstoppable rally and price shoots another 9%, moving closer to 90 cents. On the monthly chart, the Matic price has given a major breakout from the downward trending channel, while entering a major macro uptrend going ahead. Over the last week, the Polygon price has surged more than 27% amid a strong whale accumulation, as Matic joins the altcoin market rally. Over the last month, the Matic price has gained a staggering 70%. Crypto market analysis platform Into the Block reports that institutional and whale interest in the cryptocurrency sector has notably increased. Specifically, Polygon has witnessed an extraordinary 3,800% surge in transactions exceeding $100,000 over the past 30 days. Regarding circulation, a recent on-chain analysis using sentiment data shows a notable increase in the utilization of Matic tokens between November 5th and November 9th. During that period, Matic witnessed a price surge from 69 cents to 85 cents. The second token that whales are buying is Optimism, a Layer 2 protocol on Ethereum. The token's on-chain metrics support a bullish thesis for the asset. The token's price climbed 50% over the past 30 days, yielding gains for the Layer 2 token holders. The Layer 2 token noted accumulation by institutional investors and traders. Based on data from on-chain tracker DataNerd, a wallet address associated with Amber Group withdrew 2.84 million OP tokens from Binance, and the Amber Group has accumulated a total of 5.37 million OP tokens, worth about $9.37 million in the past 3 days. Typically, removal of tokens from crypto exchanges is bullish for the asset, as it reduces the selling pressure on Optimism. And the third token whales have been buying is ZRX, the governance token of the OX decentralized exchange protocol, which has surged by an impressive 238% in the last 2 months, and the token's value surged approximately 20% today, with an impressive 88% over the past week to a yearly high of 50 cents. Analytics firm Santiment attributed ZRX's impressive price rally to whale transactions. According to the firm, whale transactions for the crypto tokens are at an 18-month high, and older coins are returning to circulation. Crypto trading platform HighBlock further corroborated this report, pointing out that ZRX was one of 3 tickers in which whales were rapidly building long positions relative to retail. OX protocol is a decentralized exchange infrastructure protocol, allowing users to trade ERC20 tokens and other digital assets across various blockchain networks, including Ethereum. It eliminates the need for centralized intermediaries and is driven by the ZRX token. In April, its developers OX Labs said the project's governance would transition to the community to enable it to flourish. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.